UTEP students and the El Paso community had a chance to witness the Texas Supreme Court in action today. For the first time since 2019, the Supreme Court of the state of Texas traveled outside of Austin for official case proceedings.
The justices heard arguments in 2 El Paso cases. ABC 7's Rosemary Montañez joins us live from UTEP with the details. Rosemary.
Stephanie Paul, UTEP students and the public got a closer look at how the judicial system works. And with this visit by the Texas Supreme Court to UTEP today, many are wondering if El Paso will be getting a law school anytime soon.
It's great that they're providing this to our educational system and to students to see this.
The Supreme Court of Texas is pleased to be able to hear cases today in El Paso.
A first for many students across the area, the opportunity to interact with several justices as the Texas Supreme Court visited UTEP Thursday. For years, many have been advocating for the state of Texas to fund a law school in El Paso.
We are at the beginning of a feasibility study here at UTEP to determine the feasibility of a law school.
UTEP officials say many students want to pursue law without having to leave home. The university says they are in the early stages, but they feel hopeful after such an overwhelming turnout today.
We need to see what the numbers show us, what the study says, before we can make a determination of whether there should be a law school in El Paso.
Justice Jamie Blacklock was one of many hearing oral arguments. His mother is a native El Pasoan. ABC7 asked him about the possibility of a law school here.
This is a unique and special part of our state. It's a beautiful part of our state, and I can't see why we wouldn't want there to be as many educational opportunities in El Paso as there can be.
Some say today's event is more evidence that many are interested in learning more about law here in El Paso.
It's one thing to read about how the court system works. It's quite another to actually see it. It definitely opens their eyes to the possibility that they too could aspire to these types of positions.
And the justice is hoping to return to El Paso in the near future. He says UTEP is high on their list. For now, reporting in West El Paso, Rosemary Montañez, ABC 7.